So, hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Welcome to my channel again. So, today I'm going to take you on creating a GitHub account. Actually, creating a GitHub account is easy. Just have to take some few steps. So, immediately after this course, you'll be able to create your own GitHub account, access your GitHub account, and do some other stuff on GitHub accounts. GitHub accounts you can add some features that you have to pay for, but most of it is free. So it's an open source for all developers, just like LinkedIn and the rest. So moving on, let me take you there. So this is a GitHub account. This is a GitHub landing page where you see some stuff. Let's build from here and the rest. So immediately you come to the GitHub landing page, you see the buttons here, you sign in or you sign up. So sign up is basically for creating. So you click on sign up. It takes you to the creation page, to the sign up page rather. So let's so it says enter your mail. So what you have to do is you enter your mail here, you click on this button. You can see this arrow. There's an arrow here. There's this arrow here. So I'm going to continue. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. In case you cannot see the input button, you follow the arrow. Y for yes, N for no. So I want updates. an announcement. So I type why, then I'll continue. So create account. So you have to wait. So we are almost done. So I can save it. So they've sent a code to my email for me to verify. So I'm actually going to check my email. So just me, I'm a student. Continue. Or you can skip it at the bottom. So they have GitHub Pro and they have free GitHub. So I'll continue for free. So voila, here is my account. So if I want to change anything, I want to edit anything, I can come to this tab right here, come to my settings, or I'll go to my profile. I don't know, but my network is kind of slow right now. As you can see, I don't have any public repository yet. So I can go and edit my profile. Yes, lovely. So joined 3 minutes ago. So that is how to create your GitHub.